In this video we will learn how to add asset template in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the Asset module on top navigation bar. So here you can see Asset Settings form. Click on Asset Template form. Click on Add New Asset Template button. A pop-up will be visible. Define asset template title. For every asset to select in template, first select the category and then the type. Multiple asset can be mapped. Then click on Submit button to add the asset type in grid. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted. In this manner, asset templates can be added. System will show the added list of asset templates in grid.